Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we're going to be using the Divi Supreme Modules plugin again today. In our last video we showed you how to create a custom header and have it fixed without using any CSS or anything to do it with the Supreme Modules. Really easy. Another great feature of that new release for the Supreme Modules is if you want to, you can have the logo change on scroll to a completely different logo like this. If I scroll down the page, you can see it changes to a different logo. And if you want to do that, again, it's really easy. Let's go back to our Supreme Easy Theme Builder dashboard here. And to get to this, once you've got Supreme Pro installed, just click on it and it'll bring up this page here with your general settings, your easy theme builder settings, social media settings, etc. And we're using easy theme builder again today. Now let's just get rid of this one, and we're left with where we were yesterday, which was just a plain sticky header. So if we go back to our dashboard here, we've got the enable fixed header on, we've got push body down on, which is what you need. You can disable it on tablet and phone if you need to. To make this work today with switching logos, we need to enable the shrink on scroll. That means when you scroll down the page, your menu is going to shrink and the actual logo will change. You can change the padding for your menu logo here if you want to. I'm going to leave mine just as it is. You can decide how much it wants to shrink by there. I'll leave it at 7. Well, let's put it down to 50, then we'll come back and change it just so you can see the difference. Shrink threshold is how far down the page you want to scroll before you see the change. 200 pixels is fine, that would be around about here somewhere. And again, you can change that if you want to. Now obviously you want to upload a new image if that's what you want to do, change logo on scroll. And it can be the same logo in different color schemes, whatever your reason for adding a second logo is. So I've got an old System22 logo there. I'm just going to put that in. So let's save the changes now. And we'll go to our page here. And remember, we just had a regular menu, nothing happening there. Now when I refresh, it should shrink and the logo should change when I get down to about 200 pixels. So let's refresh. Now let's scroll down and see what happens. There we go. And as you can see, it gets to about 200 pixels and that logo pops in. If you don't want it to shrink size at all, you can just put in 100% rather than the 50 that we've got now, which at the moment is shrinking down to half of its size. So if we go back in there, now let's change that to 100%. That logo may be too big for our bar now because we're not changing the size. I think it's bigger than the original. Let's save the changes and refresh our site. As you can see, that's a lot bigger. If we go back up to the top, the old one will be there. And there's our new one. And it's pushed that bar down a bit. So we would want to shrink that a bit. Perhaps if I leave that on about 70, it'll probably be about right. Let's scroll down and see what happens now. Yeah, that's okay. That's absolutely fine. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to switch logos on scroll with the new Divi Supreme Modules plugin edition that they've added today. Just play with yours, get it exactly how you want it. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.